Well, time now to bring you the business stories of the day, and President John Mahama has chided the Bank of Ghana for poor supervision of microfinance institutions, leading to confusion in the sector. In the State of the Nation address, the President indicated there is a growing concern about how a number of Ghanaians are being defrauded by these organizations, with the latest being customers of DKM Microfinance.
While our laws place this matter squarely in the ambit of the Bank of Ghana, government has a concern for the poor and suspecting Ghanaian clients who deserve to have been protected by a more robust inspection and supervisory regime by the central bank. Mr. Speaker, I'm aware that the Bank of Ghana has commenced liquidation proceedings in respect of DKM, and I believe that this process should be part of a comprehensive package that looks at the protection of the livelihoods of especially small depositors. The bane of our economic management has been the cyclical, huge election year budget deficits. It is an unfavorable narrative for which Ghana, unfortunately, has become famous. I have assured the nation and our partners that my administration will exercise strict fiscal discipline even in this election year.
Now, Ines Fly Africa and the Infanta Malaria Prevention Foundation have put up a health center for Adenkrebi. The intervention is geared towards improving child and maternal health in the Ghanese municipality.
According to UNICEF, 3.5 million people die of malaria every year in Ghana, a situation which contributes to high rates of maternal mortality. Most of these cases are recorded in deprived communities which lack health facilities. Adenkrebi and 9 adjoining communities in the Ga East municipality have no health facilities. As part of its goal to achieve a malaria-free environment and healthy maternity, Ines Fly and the Infanta Malaria Prevention Foundation funded the Adenkrebi Clinic.
We wanted to focus our attention on building as many CHIPS clinics as possible. We feel more people would have access to this concept of healthcare, which we endorse very highly, because we think it's the answer to communities who are, really out of the loop to getting the kind of health care that they need.
The clinic was painted with Ines Fly's insecticide paints to eradicate mosquito presence in the clinic.
The invention and the technology behind allows actually the paint to last for up to 2 years. Studies is showing that it lasts for up to 8 years, but as a company, for us to be on the safe side, we claim 2 years. So efficacy is up to 2 years. We will repaint. Every second year we will repaint. The chief of Brekusu, Nana Ado Kweku, urged other organizations to emulate the example of Ines Fly and Infanta Malaria Prevention Foundation. Health workers have already been posted to the clinic.
Let's do some banking now. Universal Merchant Bank, in partnership with Phoenix Insurance, have introduced 3 insurance products to its banking services. The UMB Bank Assurance product is accessible to both customers and the general public.
The UMB Family Accidents Insurance, UMB Motor Insurance, and UMB Householders or Homeowners Insurance provide customers with a financial quality at affordable rates. The products provide comprehensive motor insurance cover against accidental damage, loss of vehicle, and a cover to a third party for up to 2,000 Ghana cedis for property damage. The financial products provides cover for third-party risks associated with the insured motor vehicle and add a cover for a loss or damage caused by fire or theft. The householder's insurance policy provides cover for damage or loss to a private residence, while the homeowner's insurance cover for damage to loss of household items and personal belongings.
Customers who decide to route your insurance business through us to the underwriter are properly covered, and that claim processing will not be a problem. We have negotiated very hard on their behalf. The premiums are not the kind of premiums that they can find on the market, so that when the unfortunate happens, we can fall back on what we have insured.
The insurance policy partnership between Phoenix Insurance Company and the Universal Merchant Bank will ensure a hassle-free claims which is convenient to customers.
In times of claims where we have borderline cases of liability, because of the partnership and the numbers that we are getting through the bank, we are able to overlook some of these things and pay ex gratia, what insurance we call ex gratia. We will take the steps to pay the client so that we can keep the relationship going. There are a myriad of opportunities for the client, for the bank, and for us insurers.
Customers will receive claims within 48 hours of submitting relevant claims documents.
Now to a name that you can trust. Mechanical Lloyd Company Limited has opened another branch in Takoradi in the Western region. The Takoradi office comes to complement existing branches in the Ashanti, Greater Accra and Northern regions and bringing quality service closer to their clients.
Mechanical Lloyd Company Limited is a fully Ghanaian-owned automobile company established in August 1970. It was listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange in 1994. It currently holds franchises for sales of BMW, Ford vehicles and Massey Ferguson agriculture tractors and implements. Mechanical Lloyd has its head office in Accra with branches in Ashanti, Northern, with the latest in Takoradi.
Our innovation and award-winning products are not only fun to drive, but are smarter, safer, and more sustainable.
Board Chairman Charles Zwint said Mechanical Lloyd has already donated medical equipment worth 20,000 cedis to the pediatric ward of the Infanta Regional Hospital in Takoradi. Regional manager in charge of sales and marketing for Ford Motor Company, Rob Johnston, said they will ensure their vehicles meet the needs of the local market. Vice President Pakwisi Bekoyi and Mr. Afa commended Mechanical Lloyd for its contribution to the growth of the economy and called for support for local artisans.
A facility that provides local content and improves the quality of service that we provide to people who speak. So I'll make two simple points this evening in support of Ghanaian entrepreneurship.
Right, and the final business story for tonight, Royal Systems and Services Limited, providers of telecom infrastructure and engineering services, has outdoored its new office complex building. The edifice will serve as a center for training and transacting all businesses.
The Royal Systems and Services Limited started operating as a civil works and building construction organization in the year 2008. It has now added data services and sales and servicing of industrial generators. The company started operating in a small office at Kokomlemle and later moved to Asylum Down, all suburbs of Accra, with only 3 staff members. The new office complex situated at Dansoman in Accra was constructed to improve work efficiency.
Our vision is to provide quality service to our clients. This is a bigger place that we have space. We do installation of data centers, we do civil works, we do construction, and that is adding to the growth of our success.
Clients who have already visited the new complex indicated it has offered them enhanced services.
So we've been working with Royal Systems and Services for the past 3 years, and I can tell you one word: it's integrity. When it comes to delivery on their honor, they do that at all time. Their timelines, they don't joke with it. They always ensure that they deliver on time. Working with them has been excellent, and I rate them 99%.
Within 8 years, auditors' reports have indicated the company has seen over 2,000% financial growth rate with a staff population of 55.